Good morning from Grand Family Farm. It's a beautiful Wednesday morning. It's 8 a.m. and about 37 degrees. Hopefully the weather stays like this. I need to rototill the garden. Alright, it's about 12:30. I'm heading down to rototill the garden. Well, it's getting there. The ground's kind of hard here and there. I'm going to go over it. I have to level this. As you can see, there's dips everywhere, so a lot of work. Probably tilling a few times before I ever plant anything in here. Well, I was trying to fire up the pressure washer, make sure it still works, and it's not starting. We need that to clean the oil off the back of the tractor where we had a leak, and plus off the golf cart. Well, it's running. Take my pig's pool back to them. The wind blew it over from the barn. It's been in the garden for a while with a tire sitting on it. Okay, take a break from tilling. Had some lunch. Now we're coming down here and feed the animals at the barn. Always ready. Get the mice. I haven't seen mice in probably a week or so, but you can see traces of them. Hang on, Harold. Well, the chickens are fed. Got 9 chicken eggs and 2 duck eggs today. Good job, girls. Well, these guys got their alfalfa. Give them some grain later. They ain't laying eggs though. Here, Petunia being mean to the pigs again. Now the piglets ran over to see Harold, so if this one. This must be a tough little pig. Weird. Just squealing for no reason. Well, most of them are enjoying their alfalfa, except for that one that was walking around squealing. Here it comes again. I think that's the same one. Need a piglet. These need to go. I'm coming back to chill this here in a few minutes as soon as I drop off the eggs. Still got a few more passes. Well, the first pass over it is completed. Other than this pile of stuff that needs to be burnt. I need to bring soil down into this area anyway because this is low. So I'm still working in the garden. I came up here to take a little break, and the baby is yelling because he knows that my wife's home that she's gonna have to get him a bottle. Yep. Yeah, you're always hungry, huh? Alright. Harold's looking for his grain. Yeah, they're loving this new grain. Give them molasses in it. Yep, very happy. Some good stuff there. Poor Harold has to share all his with these other pigs. Not really fair, but he's a good pig and he does share. Well, this is the end of my day. Got a lot done today. Leveled the garden. Rototilled. Did some landscape around the backyard. Did some chores, and it's just been a productive day. Well, I thank you very much for watching. Have a great evening.